TekThing CES 2018, I'm Patrick Norton, and let us talk about a couple of new laptops from here at CES. Lenovo X1 Carbon and the Lenovo X1 Yoga, probably on the short list for professional laptops for most people, and a lot of folks who use laptops professionally use them for entertainment when they travel and at home, which makes the addition of Dolby Vision HDR into these laptops the first Dolby Vision laptops announced that we know of. Pretty cool if you're slated for an upgrade and you love your Netflix. Now, 14-inch screens in both the 2.49-pound Carbon and the 3-pound Yoga. They are going to be bright, 500 nits bright. They're not 4K though, they're WQH. That's 2560 by 1440. Think of it as a 3K, not a full 4K. But frankly, HDR is a lot more interesting for your eyeballs than more pixels. Now, something I love about this, the webcam is above the screen. I use a Dell XPS 13, so I got to bring that up. And it includes the Think Shutter camera privacy device. It's a physical cover that closes off the webcam. No more stickers, no more sticky notes on your laptop. Now, Lenovo says the built-in twin mics, aka the 360-degree far-field communication mics, will let you get your Skype on from up to 4 meters away from the laptop. And they support wake-on voice function. You can ask MS Cortana questions even if the lid is closed, and they're going to support Amazon's Alexa too. The rest of the specs, pretty much what you're looking for out of a top-tier laptop. Intel 8th Gen Core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM max, global 4G LTE capability in both laptops, Type-C charging, the usual excellent Lenovo keyboards, and the Yoga includes an integrated pen if you're the artistic kind of person or you just love taking notes. Now, they're going to be shipping this month. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon starts at $1,709, the ThinkPad X1 Yoga at $1,889. Lenovo.com for more info, and for more TekThing CES 2018, head on over to TekThing.com or YouTube.com/TekThing. Thanks for watching.